Hey guys, and welcome back to another GCSE Maths Grade 9 exam question. So today, we're solving this quadratic here by completing the square. And we have to give our answer in the form a plus or minus the square root of b, where a and b are just integers. So, first off, remember an integer is just a whole number. So, we've got to complete the square on this, so it's a nice expression to it with a nice quadratic because the coefficient of the x squared is just 1. So we can start straight away with it. So if we start straight away, remember, we have the coefficient of the term in front of the x, so this is ax. So we half that and we put it in a bracket, so it's going to be x. So remember, we take the squared away from the x squared as well. It's going to be x plus 4. X plus 4 all squared. Now what you do here is you look at your term that we've got here. So x plus 4 all squared. If you was to square 4, you'd get a 16, right? But we want the negative square, so we put minus 16, like that. And we also add on the 6 here. We add on our original still, plus 6. And this is equal to 0. So, let's do a bit of simplifying here. This is going to be x plus 4 all squared, minus 10, minus 16 plus 6 is minus 10, is equal to 0. And then take the 10 across. This is x plus 4 all squared. This is equal to 10. Now, this plus or minus, we're going to need a plus or minus. So what do we do from here? Well, we've got a squared expression here, so we need to square it. We need to solve for x. So to solve for x, we need to square root first. So this is x plus 4. And this is going to be equal. Now, when you take the square root of a positive number, right? Remember, we have two terms. We have the positive and the negative. So, for example, the square root of 16 could be positive 4 or minus 4. Because if you do minus 4 squared, that will give you 16. Minus 4 times minus 4 is 16. So, in this case, we need to take the plus or minus square root. Like so. And then finally, we can write x as being minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 10. And there we have it. We have solved a quadratic equation here by completing the square. So this is your final solution. So a is minus 4 and b is 10. And there we have it.